and welcome back to my channel, this is Sonam Brinchin, and this is your 5th Python tutorial video. So today we're going to be downloading a IDE for Python. An IDE for Python is basically a text editor for Python, so it helps read the code and execute it. Last video I told you guys that we're going to be downloading PyCharm, but I changed my mind, so we're going to be downloading Visual Studio Code because I thought that this would be much more easier for beginners because it has all the extensions inbuilt, and yes, it is like much more easier to use than the other text editors. Alright, but before we get on downloading, let us start off with a great news, which is I am thinking of creating a Google Classroom where you can join in and I can join in and we can have interactive session. I'll give you assignments, you can question me, you can like clear your doubts, I'll answer you, so it'll be like an interactive session, so it'll be fun. Yes. So if you are interested, DM me on Facebook, DM me on Instagram, or email me, or comment down below. Comment your email down below. I'll give the link for my social media accounts in the description below. So yes, if you're interested, just DM me, just reach out to me. I'll just add you in instantly. So yes, that's it. Now let's get on to today's class. How do you download Visual Studio Code? Is by going to code.visualstudio.com/download. The link will be in the description below as well. So then, based on your software, click download. So if you're Windows, download here, Linux, Mac. Yes, so it's mine's in Windows, so I click on this one. So it'll get downloaded, and you can install it and open it. So when you open it, it will look somewhat like this. So then let's open it and let's create a new file. So how you create a new file is by clicking on new file. How simple. So new file. Yes. Now, like in HTML, we have to save it as a Python file to let the computer know that this is a Python file. So save as, let's say, IDE.py, and all files and save it. Now, in Visual Studio Code, you can't directly code it out. You have to install the Python extension, but this is inbuilt. So that's what I like about Visual Studio Code. All the extensions are inbuilt, and you can download it in the IDE itself. So you can go to extensions, which is this one, this menu, click on it, and search for Python, Python, and open this and click on install. I have it already installed, so yes, I don't have to install it again. Now, after installing, close the extensions menu and start coding. Yes, start coding. So let us run a few basic codes, but before that, let me zoom in a bit. Alright, so how does this look? Better? Alright, so that's it. Now let's try using the print function, which we all know. Alright, I hope this works. Let's try running it. Run it, and this small menu below is where your Python coding will work. So yes, it worked. It says, I hope this works, which is exactly the same, which is exactly the same. Alright, now let's try some variables. Let's say player1 equals Sonam, player2 equals mention, player 3 equals engine. Alright, so let's try printing out player 1. So print player 1 is yes, finished, and let's try running it. Alright, so it works. I hope this works. So this will be this part will be the it will be the first code we ran, which didn't have variables, and after that this will be the code we just ran. So I hope this works. Player 1 is Sonam. So that's it. So today we learned how to download a IDE. Like, we learned what a IDE is, we download an IDE, then we ran a few simple codes, and you got a great news. So like I said before, if you're interested, just text me. I'll add you guys immediately. So also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because 75% of the viewers haven't subscribed yet. So subscribe to my channel. In the next video, we're going to be looking on conditions. The if statement, else statement, else statement, which will be a lot harder. So be ready. And yes, I hope you have a great week ahead. I'll see you guys in the next video.